Urine cultures can be complex or they can be simple, but interpreting the results doesn't have to be difficult. Today we're showing you a simple workflow to evaluate COLOREX Orientation Media for urine samples, from setup to results in 18 to 24 hours. Traditional urine culture workflows require multiple plates, blood CNA and McConkey, that only provide basic culture interpretation, presence or absence of coliforms and/or gram-positive bacteria. COLOREX Orientation Media provides immediate insights, presumptive identifications, and actionable results at first glance. CHROMagar's media enables direct differentiation of uropathogens to aid in the diagnosis of urinary tract infections based on distinct colony colours, so your eyes identify results faster. Let's get started on the evaluation workflow. Step 1. To familiarise yourself with the appearance of common pathogens and normal flora, streak ATCC strains or known bacterial isolates onto 10 orientation plates and incubate for 18 to 24 hours. Set aside up to 200 midstream urine specimens to test orientation media side by side with your standard of care sample process. Step 3. Inoculate the 200 urine samples onto orientation media and blood and McConkey. Incubate aerobically at 35 to 37 degrees Celsius for 18 to 24 hours, just like your standard urine cultures. For blood plates, after incubation, examine for gram-positives and the presence or absence of hemolytic colonies. On McConkey plates, differentiate lactose-fermenting coliforms from non-lactose fermenters. On COLOREX orientation, identify colonies based on colour coding. Distinct colours make identification simple. Record results of growth, including mixed growth patterns and mouldy identifications, using the Excel spreadsheet provided. Mixed cultures? Read them at first glance. No extra steps. Getting this far in one plate saves time and simplifies your workflow. Most labs process hundreds of urine samples each day. By incorporating COLOREX orientation media instead of McConkey, labs have reported a significant workload reduction, improved throughput, and faster presumptive IDs and reporting. With a clear palette of colony colours, your workflow is streamlined. You will have fewer mouldy and spot IDs. With higher specificity for E. coli, you can go straight to AST. COLOREX orientation media, incandescently colourful, results you can easily see.
Ready to experience COLOREX Orientation Media? Contact us today. We will be happy to assist you with your side-by-side evaluation, including providing a draft protocol, a simple spreadsheet to record the evaluation data, an online tutorial, among others. Don't wait! Join the Chromogenic revolution. Request your evaluation today.